humble myself a little bit. I know, shocker. I challenge you. If you want to do an Indian food ASMR, I would love it. Look at that. Actually, it actually comes from North Korea for the June Mukbang ASMR collab. Brought to you by Suave Boom and Dolce Foodie. First week, sandwiches. Second week, tacos. Third week, pizza. Last week, sushi. I suck at ASMR. I basically ranted most of this. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Boys, Suave Boom here with another ASMR video. What's going on? How are ya? Sorry, almost sneezed. First, shout outs, requests, and notifications. Make sure to hit us up on all our social media platforms. That includes our most active social media platform, which is going to be Love at First Bite Vlog on Instagram. Once again, that is Love at First Bite Vlog on Instagram. Doing this whole collab thing has really been fun on Instagram and getting your guys' feedback on what you want to eat, what you want to see from me, and what you want to see from other ASMR artists and mukbangers. So I really appreciate everybody going on there and showing us love. So if you want to go on there, you're not familiar with our other social media platforms, I have my own personal Instagram. Abby has her own. Rocky has his own. We all have, like, I have a TikTok. We have all different sorts of platforms that we advertise and have fun. Advertise our YouTube channel. But please, if you want to go follow us on Instagram, that is Love at First Bite Vlog. I'm going to leave all the information down below in the description box. So, yeah. Oh, and coldest water bottle. If you want to get your own coldest water bottle, make sure to hit that link down below. Type in promo code BOOM. Get yourself free shipping and handling and your chance to win your own free coldest water bottle. You can get the big one like this. You get the smaller one. Different shapes, sizes, colors. Get your name engraved. Whatever you want to do. Just, again, make sure to hit that link down below. Type in promo code BOOM and get yourself one of these coldest water bottles. Keep your hot stuff hot and your cold stuff cold. Alright, we paid some bills. Now, I have my little piece of paper right here, like choose, because I need things to remember. First off, I want to say, I want to humble myself a little bit. I know, shocker. This channel isn't doing what it used to do. And I know I talk about this all the time, and I'm okay with that. Oh, sure, it doesn't look like it. I know it probably doesn't look like it because I talk about this particular subject all the time. But I wanted to come on here and just say thank you to everybody. Abby, my wife, thought of doing a Indian food collab with everybody. And honestly, like, I straight up told her, like, ain't nobody go collab with us. Like, maybe one person for fun, you know, and the amount of people that already did it and the amount of people that want to, it was nice. It was nice. It just, like, I don't care if this video gets 10 views, 1,000 views, 5, I don't care. It was just nice to be able to have a nice subject to talk about that everybody was excited to do. Indian food is always awesome, and I've been craving it for a while, and I made a list of people that, of course, my wife, she's next after this. She's filming her Indian food. So shout out to Dolce Foodie. I love you. You're my heart. I appreciate you still encouraging me to make more of these videos at times when I don't want to, but it pays off, not just from, like, channel growing and making a little bit more money, but from, like, really making me feel like I'm back in a community that used to be so close a few years back, and this is just a new generation. And so thank you, Dolce Foodie, for that. I also want to thank Sunday ASMR. I believe she said she's uploading tonight as well as I am. So shout out to Sunday ASMR. She's doing Indian food collab. Shout out to my boy Choose. He did an awesome Indian food collab. Thank you so much for joining in. Mrs. Janita, she cooked her food. She cooked her Indian food. I'm telling you, young country girl from Minnesota, she cooked her own Indian food. That's how Asian she is. Okay, let me stop. Shout out to Damn B ASMR and Bun ASMR. Even though I gave her a little crap earlier, but they collabed and did Indian food and didn't know about ours. Like, I guess they planned it like a month ago and it was just like a coincidence. Or was it? Come on, you can admit. Come on, Damn B. You know, no, I'm kidding. But just the fact that you did Indian food this week around the time, I just still want to give you guys. So shout out to Damn B ASMR. Shout out to Bun ASMR. And then there was a bunch of people that said they wanted to do Indian food collab eventually. Eat with Coral Blush. I believe you mentioned it to me. Or I could just be shouting you out right now. Eat with Coral Blush. Kaden Reese. Paige Delicious hit me up on Snapchat and she was telling me that she wanted to do one. She just didn't know when, and she was waiting on her microphone, and she has actually the same microphone that we have. So Paige, whenever you do your Indian food video, do an ASMR with that mic. You will not be sorry. That is the cheapest $20-something mic you will ever get, and it's the best one. It's the best one, best, cheapest. So shout out to Paige Delicious. Shout out to Care Bear. I want you to make one. Dave K ASMR. I want you to make one. Sofrito, Lisa MJ, Luke B. Grubbin. These are just people that you didn't necessarily say you were going to do an Indian food video, but I would like you to do one. Cosita ASMR. Cosita ASMR never had Indian food, so I would love for her to do it. And of course, my homie Ignited ASMR. I challenge you. No, I'm kidding. If you want to do an Indian food ASMR, I would love it. But it's been 6.5 minutes, and I know you guys want me to start eating. Let me introduce the food. We got vegetable samosas. We have the vegetable samosas are like potatoes and peas. We have vegetable korma right here in the middle. We have lamb madras, lamb madras is right here. It's spicy lamb. And then we have butter chicken. Underneath is basmati rice. And then I have a mango chutney, and of course garlic and herb naan bread. So let's get into it. Cheers. The bubbles. I said I would eat this with my hands. Classic style, no spoon, no fork. So let's do it. Thumbnail though. Let's get a thumbnail. Oh wait. Damn, this lighting. Let me. samosa. That butter chicken is good. Very good. The vegetable korma is like potatoes, carrots. Then these are big chunks. Oh, good. Let's try the lamb. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Whoa. No, that's spicy. That is spicy. Let me start using the naan like a tortilla. Oh my god, that's spicy, spicy. You know what? This is like really spicy, but this is my favorite one. By far, it's my favorite one. Look at that. Yeah, it's like the korma. Very mild. Not spicy at all and not really flavorful. The chicken, the butter chicken, pretty bomb. Also mild. This one's the hitter. That one's the hitter for real. I go and get this, I can't get it milder. I can't. This is meant to be. Oh. So I wanted to, because this collab came out so well, and there was a lot of people that wanted to do it. I thought it'd be cool to, a few years back, Happa Eats used to do a whole month, I believe it was April, and the whole month of April, we would do, every week, we would do a different food. Now, I don't want to make it weird, alright? My anniversary is coming up next month, and I want to celebrate by doing a 1 month collab. The bubbles. And I want to celebrate my anniversary month with my wife by doing another collab. Now, I thought it would be cool. June Mukbang / ASMR collab for the month of June, okay? I don't want to discriminate. I think it'd be cool. Mukbangers, ASMR people, unite. Because some people love, like, see, this is why me and my wife work. I'm a mukbang person. I like to be loud, be funny, not be professional, just whatever I want to put. That's, you know, large amount of trashy food. That's a mukbanger. Actually, it actually comes from North Korea. Anyways, and she is very good at ASMR. Very good at ASMR. So we want to include the mukbang / ASMR community for the month of June to do a collab month. So first week of June, we're gonna keep it easy. Any type of sandwiches, just do a sandwich video, but call it, you know, when you do the video, say, hey, this sandwich video is for the June Mukbang ASMR collab. Brought to you by Suave Boom and Dolce Foodie. And then you just shout out whoever you want to shout out, because there's a lot of people to shout out, and I don't want you to go through a whole list of like, these are the people that were included. Like, you can shout out whoever you want, collab with whoever you want, but just make sure to say, like, this is for the June Mukbang ASMR collab. You don't need to even mention me or Dolce Foodie. Just whoever you want to shout out, whoever. But that for the month of June is the Mukbang ASMR collab. First week, sandwiches. Second week, tacos. Any type of tacos. Americanized tacos, carne asada tacos, fish tacos, breakfast tacos, any type of tacos, Chaco tacos. Third week, pizza. We all love pizza. Any type of pizza. And the last week, sushi. Of course. Sushi. Now, it does run off to almost a fifth week. Like, there's like 2 or 3 days of a fifth week, because June is long. We were kind of thinking about doing dessert. So if you want to do a bonus, you know, if you want to do all 4 of those things plus a bonus, do some dessert. What do you guys think? Is that a good idea? Leave me your opinions on in the comments below. I suck at ASMR. I basically ranted most of this. never crave it until I see somebody else eat it, or I end up just buying it for a video. Like, I literally think the last the last 2 or 3 times I've had Indian food were literally to film a video. I don't think, oh man, I don't think I've sat down in an Indian food restaurant in maybe 2 or 3 years. Yeah, literally. And like ate there, you know. That's wild. That is wild. There's like a bird right outside my window. Sorry. So if you guys get triggers and tingles and goose pimplies and dumb nibblies from bird singing, there you go. Okay, there you go. Oh wait, isn't left hand disrespectful? Oh wait, no, that's I'm getting my ethnic foods wires crossed. That was Choose's video with Ethiopian food. That's what yeah. Okay, here we go. So I'm doing a pretty good job. You know what I mean? There's no helicopters. I'm whispering a little bit like back in the day. A little bit while actually you're doing a big rant. This is nice. There was a time where I was literally just doing ASMR. Just ASMR. Oh, by the way, guys, can you do me a favor and stop triggering Mrs. Janita in her videos? Because every time she gets consistent in uploading, yeah, I'm giving you shit, girl. I'm giving you shit right now. Every time Leah gets consistent with making videos, one damn troll, not even one person, says one thing about like shut up and eat, something simple. The simplest thing, the simplest comment. Oh, shut up and eat. The whole point of ASMR is to just eat. What do you like? Something super simple. Shut up and eat. And it ruins her whole thing. Alright? She's about two comments away from shutting down her channel. I'm kidding. I'm going too far. I'm exaggerating. But what I'm saying is, can y'all please stop? Alright? She's sensitive. Okay? She's gonna get triggered. And she's not down for that. Sorry. I didn't even watch your whole video. I just heard you say something like, I think Abby was watching it, and I heard you say something like, you were talking about somebody saying that somebody said, shut up and just, shut up and just eat. That's the whole point of ASMR. It's like, girl, people are gonna say things. It's okay. You'll be alright. But we love you. If I didn't give Leah a little bit of shit from her past choices